How to allow camera access in Snapchat. In this tutorial, we're going to see how you can easily allow camera access in your Snapchat. So basically what happens is when you open up Snapchat, it's going to ask you to turn on access to your camera as well as photos and videos. Without that, you won't be able to take any pictures. So even if I go to any chat here and I can just go ahead and tap on the camera icon, it's going to ask me to allow access to the camera. Now you can easily tap on this turn on button and allow access from here. If you don't see that option, then in that case you can just go ahead and open settings first. Scroll down until you find apps. And once you tap on apps, go ahead and find Snapchat here. So let me just go ahead and scroll down and find Snapchat. Tap on Snapchat and then you should be able to find permissions. Go to camera. Since it's not allowed right now, just tap on allow only while using the app or allow all the time. Then once you have done that, you could just go back and open up Snapchat. Now once you open up your Snapchat, as you are going to have the camera access. So that's basically it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, like the video down below and subscribe. I'll catch you on the next one.